Hello friends. We had seen various tools and techniques regarding how to read data and analyze it with the help of some basic tools in last videos like Pareto chart, fishbone diagram, scatter diagram, correlation and regression, histogram, and control chart. Every tool I had mentioned will come in the picture only after the data collection is completed. The power of these tools is effective only when the collection of data is effective. And therefore, in this video, I am going to explain very simple but the most important tools used during data collection, that is, stratification and check sheet, with the help of practical examples for easy understanding and better clarity. So, let's begin. Stratification. Stratification is a technique used in combination with other data analysis tools. When data from a variety of sources or categories have been lumped together, the meaning of the data can be impossible to see. This technique separates the data so that patterns can be seen. When to use stratification? 1. Before collecting data. 2. When data come from several sources or conditions, such as shifts, days of the week, suppliers, or population groups. 3. When data analysis may require separating different sources or conditions. Stratification procedure. 1. Before collecting data, consider which information about the sources of the data might affect the results. Set up the data collection so that you collect that information as well. 2. When plotting or graphing the collected data on a scatter diagram, control chart, histogram, or other analysis tools, use different marks or colors to distinguish data from various sources. Data that are distinguished in this way are said to be stratified. 3. Analyze the subsets of stratified data separately. For example, on a scatter diagram where data are stratified into data from source 1 and data from source 2, draw quadrants and count points. After that, determine the critical value only for the data from source 1 and then only for the data from source 2. Stratification example. A manufacturing team drew a scatter diagram to test whether product purity and iron contamination were related, but the plot did not demonstrate a relationship. Then a team member realized that the data came from 3 different reactors. The team member redrew the diagram using a different symbol for each reactor's data. Now patterns can be seen. The data from reactor 2 and reactor 3 are circled. Even without doing any calculations, it is clear that for those 2 reactors, purity decreases as iron increases. However, the data from reactor 1, the solid dots that are not circled, do not show that relationship. Something is different about reactor 1. Stratification considerations. Here are examples of different sources that might require data to be stratified. Equipment, shifts, departments, materials, suppliers, day of the week, time of day, products. Survey data usually benefit from stratification. Always consider before collecting data whether stratification might be needed during analysis. Plan to collect stratification information. After the data are collected, it might be too late. On your graph or chart, include a legend that identifies the marks or colors used. Check sheet, also called defect concentration diagram. A check sheet is a structured, prepared form for collecting and analyzing data. This is a generic tool that can be adapted for a wide variety of purposes. When to use a check sheet? 1. When data can be observed and collected repeatedly by the same person or at the same location. 2. When collecting data on the frequency or patterns of events, problems, defects, defect location, defect causes, etc. 3. When collecting data from a production process. Check sheet procedure. 1. Decide what event or problem will be observed. Develop operational definitions. 2. Decide when data will be collected and for how long. 3. Design the form. Set it up so that data can be recorded simply by making check marks or X's or similar symbols, and so that data do not have to be recopied for analysis. 4. Label all spaces on the form. 5. Test the check sheet for a short trial period to be sure it collects the appropriate data and is easy to use. 6. Each time the targeted event or problem occurs, record data on the check sheet. Check sheet example. The figure below shows a check sheet used to collect data on telephone interruptions. The tick marks were added as data was collected over several weeks. This is all about stratification and check sheet with the help of practical example. We will see the next important topic with a practical example in the next video. For references, I have taken some part of this very detailed content from ASQ. Now to end, please like this video if you have found it useful. Add your valuable comments, share this video with your friend and colleagues to improve and refresh their knowledge. If you want to get updates of such videos from our channel, please do not forget to subscribe to it. Click on the bell icon and select to get all notifications. And finally, thank you for watching.